क्या आपके पास कार है?
Do you have any car?
आपने क्या लंच में बनाया था?
Okay. Had you made the lunch?
यस,
In the lunch, sorry.
इन द लंच। हाँ हाँ।
Yes.
क्या आप कल स्कूल गए थे?
Did you go to school yesterday?
क्या आप कल बाजार जाएंगे?
Will you be going to market? Yes. In the morning. Yes.
आपकी दोस्त आपसे मिलने आ रही है।
Are your friends are meeting with you?
आपकी मम्मी आपको बुला रही है।
Your mummy is calling you.
मम्मी इज कॉलिंग यू। यस। आपका फोन रिंग हो रहा है।
Your phone is ringing.
Hi, how are you?
हेलो, आई एम फाइन, व्हाट अबाउट यू?
Yes, I am doing great. How's your baby?
He is sleeping now. That's why I make conversation. It's very
Okay,
tough
I
to
can
manage.
understand. I can understand.
Because, when he sleep that time, I couldn't find the people who talk with me.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Because same timing match is very difficult when I have
Yes,
a
ma'am.
time and other people is busy.
Okay. When you sent the message, so that time I didn't watch your message, and recently I have watched, and then I send your message.
Yes, that time my baby is sleeping. That's the reason I text you. When you have a
Okay.
time, then we will make conversation.
Okay, okay. So today, do you have any topic to discussion?
When you don't have a mobile phone,
Okay.
then how was your life?
Okay, I think yes, according to my perception that it's very difficult
Yes.
without phone.
Mhm.
So actually I learned English through mobile only. I don't have any partner, as you know very well. So I don't have any environment with whom I can speak English. I learned grammars and speaking everything through phone. So I think a mobile is very important for me. And yes,
Then in whole day, in 24 hour, how much time you will get to busy in mobile? In 24 hour, at least 23 hour, 18 hours, 16 hour, how much time you get in this mobile? You are busy in mobile.
actually when I get the time, so that time I use mobile, I watch English video, and I learned lots of things.
It means every day 5 to 6 hours.
Yes, I think. These times I have lots of work, so that times I use a little bit. But when I am free, when I was free, so that times continuously I use mobile.
Yes.
But I don't watch any video related to other things, only watching English video.
Okay. It means you are very passionate to learning English. That's why you are watching English videos.
Yes, ma'am. I want to be fluent as soon as possible. Yes.
Yes, without mobile, really, it's very difficult to live. Without food,
Yes.
we can live, but without mobile, we can't live. Because
Yes.
today, people depending on mobile.
Yes.
When wake
Every
up in the
person.
morning, every person. When wake
Yes.
up in the bed, first scroll the mobile. After that, he wake up in the bed.
Okay. Yes. Because when I wake up, so not wake up, get up
Get
in the morning. So then I use mobile.
yes,
I
every
watch.
person, every person.
Yes. Yes.
Anything else? And how
Yes.
was your day going till now?
Yes, my day is going on good, and I am having the practice
Okay, what do you
continuously.
do in whole day? How much call attend in a day?
I think have the work as a chore house, and then when I am free, so that times I receive the call, I take the session. These times I don't have any question what to ask. So do you have any question? related to speaking English as a learning English.
Tell me some question answer type of.
Yes, I think I can have rapid fire in English.
Yes, but yes, we will try.
Yes, okay. First of all, I give the question. So I give the question and then you will reply in English.
Okay.
Okay. So आप कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Where are
You
you
can
go?
say आप कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Where are you go?
कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Where are you going?
Yes, and I have not. आपने क्या खाया?
What did you eat?
What have? Yes, it's okay. And राम सोता है.
Ram is sleeping. Sota hai. Ram is
Yes.
sleeping.
Not is not राम sleeps.
Ram sleeps.
मैं बाजार गया. Yesterday कल मैं बाजार गया.
Yesterday I was in market.
And वहां मुझे मेरी फ्रेंड मिली.
In the market, my friend is there.
And
I
then मेरी फ्रेंड ने मुझसे पूछा आप कहाँ जा रहे हो?
My friend is asked me, where are you go?
Where are you going? Yes, where are you going? Actually मैं बाजार जा रही हूँ. आप कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Actually, I'm going to market. Where are you go? Where are you going?
Actually मैं भी बाजार ही जा रही हूँ.
Actually, I'm also going to market.
Okay. And
Can I ask you 5 questions? You will give me the answer. Okay?
okay, I will try.
Rapid fire, just like rapid fire.
Okay.
क्या आपके पास कार है?
Do you have any car?
क्या? Yes. No, lunch. आपने क्या लंच में बनाया था?
Okay. Had you made the lunch?
Yes.
In the lunch, sorry.
In the lunch. हाँ.
Yes.
क्या आप कल स्कूल गए थे?
Did you go to school yesterday?
क्या आप कल बाजार जाएंगे?
Will you be going to market? Yes. In the morning. Yes.
आपकी दोस्त आपसे मिलने आ रही है?
Are your friends are meeting with you?
आपकी मम्मी आपको बुला रही है?
Your mummy is calling you.
Your mummy is calling you. Yes. आपका फोन रिंग हो रहा है?
Your phone is ringing. I can rapid fire very easily because when I am get free and when I get free and time, so that times I have rapid fire.
That's great.
I think I am telling the story and you can ask me any question, okay? Because I am, I am telling my past story. I went to the market and suddenly my friends met me.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. So, I think what's your name? I forget your name.
My name is Anima.
Anima. Okay. So, Anima, actually, I am going to tell you my past story because yesterday I was I was very free. So that times I sat in my room and then suddenly I remind because I have to go to the market. And then I started going to the market, and before going the market, I asked my mom, actually, mom, I have to go to the market because I have to purchase something for my study. So can I go to the market? And then my mother said to me, okay, Rajni, you can go and please come back soon. So, okay, mom, I will definitely come back soon. And then I started going to the market. and then I was going to the market, and suddenly my friends met me. My friend met me, and then my friend asked me, "Hello, Rajni, where are you going?" Actually, I said to my friend, "Actually, I am going to the market for my stuff related to study." Okay, actually, Rajni, even I am going to the market. Okay, you are going to the market? Yes, I am going to the market. And then I started going to the market each other. And you can ask me any question.
Sorry, I couldn't understand. In when you talk in this conversation, I will ask anything. Where are you going market?
Yes, as we conversation with other person, as any person tell the past story. So then I put the question meanwhile the conversation.
Okay, which type of stuff you are buying? This type of question.
Actually, I want to purchase for my study.
Mhm.
Stationery, because I want to go to the stationery shop.
Okay.
Yes, and then I reached at in the market, and then I asked my friends, do you want to purchase something? And then my friends replied to me, yes, of course, I want to purchase. And then I said to my friends, okay, you can purchase, and I have to go right now because my mom said to me, come back to soon. So then I have to go.
ओके बट आई थिंक सो इस टाइप का क्रिएट कर सकते हैं हम लोग ना जैसे आप अपनी मम्मी से पूछ के गए मार्केट यू क्रिएट योर पास्ट इवेंट ओके आफ्टर दैट यू केम बैक एट योर होम आई एम प्लेइंग योर फादर रोल वेयर डिड यू गो रजनी व्हाई यू आर
Oh,
कमिंग लेट
okay. So then I reached my home. Yes.
हाय रजनी वेयर डिड यू गो
Actually, I went to the market for my study waste stuff.
which type of stuff you are buying
Actually, my stuff has run out, so that's why I am going to the market. I was going to the market. Sorry, I went to the market.
can you see the stuff for me
Yes, of course, because you can see, you can see this pen,
how
and because some pens and some notebooks, and because I need one book related to speaking English, because you know very well I am learning English, so that's why I went to the market for purchasing the book, because I don't have more much vocabulary and I need book, so that's why I went to the market.
Okay, don't worry. With whom you went to market?
Actually, I went to alone, but in the I think in the path, I because my friends met me.
Then what did you do in your in market with your friend? Do you do you eat anything? It क्या
Yes,
बोलूं?
my friend wanted to purchase also.
Okay.
Yes.
Apart from this, what did you do in your market? It means you eat anything like golgappa,
No,
chowmin, that type of thing.
actually, my mom give the restrictions that strictly you should come back soon. So that's why I didn't eat. So
But you
then
are
I
late.
should come
You are
back.
late
Yes.
30 minutes.
Okay. Sorry for this because I didn't watch any time. So actually, I didn't have so that I mobile and watch. So that's time I couldn't understand.
Okay, don't worry. Go to the room and take rest. After that, you will do study.
Okay. So please don't disturb me. I have because I am going to the room and I have to some study and I have to take the some session. Okay.
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 अच्छा लगा, it's nice.
Yes. I think this way is very good for improving English, according to me. And your fluently, your confidence will be increased.
Mhm.
When we met in this application, so then I will use this way. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
We
Okay,
will
ma'am, we
play.
will connect tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you. Nice to talk to you.